Most people say this wrong at restaurants. Let me show you what to say instead, and you'll practice with me. Don't just watch, speak with me. Part 1. Arriving and getting a table. These are some useful phrases. A table for 2, please. Do you have a reservation? How long is the wait? Could we sit by the window? That's fine, we'll wait. Now, let's put those phrases using example sentences. Hi, we'd like a table for 2, please. No, we don't have a reservation. How long is the wait for a table? Could we sit by the window if possible? That's fine, we'll wait. Now, a short conversation between the host and the customer.
Good evening. Welcome to the restaurant.
A table for 2, please.
Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't have a reservation.
There's a 10-minute wait. Is that okay?
That's fine, we'll wait. Now, I want you to speak it loud with me.
Good evening. Welcome to the restaurant. Do you have a reservation? There's a 10-minute wait. Is that okay?
Part 2. Ordering food. Let's learn some very useful phrases you can use. Can I see the menu? What do you recommend? I'll have... Could we get this without spice? We're ready to order. Now let's put these phrases into example sentences and use them. Can I see the menu, please? What do you recommend here? I'll have the pasta. Could we get this without spice? We're ready to order now.
Let's listen to a short conversation now and later practice it together.
Here's your menu.
What do you recommend?
Our special today is grilled chicken.
I'll have the grilled chicken. Could we get this without spice?
Sure. Anything to drink?
Now let's practice speaking this conversation out loud together.
Here's your menu. Our special today is grilled chicken. Sure. Anything to drink?
Part 3. During the meal. Some really useful phrases that you can use. Excuse me, could we get some water? This is delicious. Could you bring some extra napkins? We're enjoying the meal a lot. Now, let's put these phrases with example sentences for better understanding. Excuse me, could we get some water? This is really delicious. Could you bring some extra napkins? We're enjoying the meal a lot.
Let's listen to a short conversation first, then we will practice it.
Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help?
could we get some water?
Of course.
This is delicious.
Let's practice this conversation together, loud and clear. Yes, how can I help? Of course.
Part 4. Asking for the bill. Now use these useful phrases in real life. Could we get the bill? Can we pay by card? Do you accept cash? Keep the change. Thank you for the great service. Making use of these phrases in example sentences can really improve your English.
Let's first listen to the conversation and later practice it together.
Could we get the bill, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
Can we pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Thank you for the great service.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Now I want you to practice this short conversation out loud.
Let's learn it with me turn by turn. Sure, I'll bring it right away. Yes, of course. You're welcome. Have a great day.
Let's run through the full conversation quickly.
Good evening.
A table for 2, please.
Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't have a reservation.
10-minute wait.
That's fine, we'll wait.
Here's the menu.
What do you recommend?
Grilled chicken.
I'll have that. Could we get it without spice?
Excuse me, could we get some water? Sure. How did you enjoy the meal?
It was delicious. Could we get the bill, please?
Here you go.
Can we pay by card?
Of course you can.
Thank you for the great service.
You're welcome. Have a great day.